At the Falaki Building, the Career Development Department, which is a part of the School of Continuing Education at the AUC, conducted a fashion styling workshop from the 6th till the 8th of September.
When we thought about offering fashion styling workshop, we cared about providing them with a chance to have a new career, start a new career as a fashion stylist, as well as improving their personal style.
Styling is very important for your life, for your social life, for your working life, for any kind of life that you're living. It's nice to dress up in a good way. Styling has a lot of impact on self-confidence because it makes you feel happy. It makes you feel that you are proud of what you're wearing, as I said, to yourself.
The workshop included many topics like image consulting, body shape, dress codes, trends tips, wardrobe consultancy, color analysis, skin tones, prints, patterns, and more.
Has positive associations, including sincerity, love.
I really recommend them. They never break. I have ones from...
Very nice.
Also, the participants practiced styling different pieces to apply what they learned throughout the course, which enhanced their learning experience.
But this is what they used to wear in the 70s. I am madly in love with it because
I like ان احنا بنتكلم على كل التوبكس بتاعه الفاشن، مش بس اللي هو هنكولر كوردينيت ازاي وكله، لا الفاشن ويكس، الهيستوري اوف ستايلينج كله.
من اكتر الحاجات اللي خدت بالي منها ان فعلا بيبقى في ناس كتير مش عارفين مثلا شكل جسمهم ايه او الالوان اللي بتليق عليهم ايه، فدي من ضمن الحاجات اللي استفدت منها جدا، ان انا عرفت جسمي نوعه ايه والبشره مثلا التون بتاعها ايه والشيدز اللي تليق عليا وكده.
هو الصراحه استفدت من حاجات كتير، يعني لقيت في حاجات كتير انا ما كنتش عارفه ان هي بتمشي بالواي ده طبعا. قدرت اكتر ان انا يبقى عندي الوان كتير ممكن البسها على بعض، انا ما كنتش واخده بالي ان هي ممكن تبقى حلوه على بعض اصلا. وضبط دولابي بطريقه مختلفه خالص.
حاسه كل حاجه مفيده، بس اكتر حته حسيتها مفيده بالنسبه لي وفي المجال اللي انا عايزاه هي الحته بتاعت ان في 100 سنه الفاشن بيتغير على كذا based on كذا بقى عوامل.
كتبت الاسم تاني علشان
Although workshops are beneficial in introducing styling to its participants, other methods can be used to spread the styling mindset.
So we have workshops, we have talks, we have a lot of speakers, we have a lot of courses that we could do. And in the last few years, more than 10 years maybe, we started actually being asked to help people as personal stylists and personal shoppers.
Fashion styling goes beyond following the trends. It helps individuals explore their personalities and enhances their self-confidence. While workshops are a way to educate people about styling, more efforts can still be made in the future to spread this kind of art. Ghayda Hashish, AUCTV, Cairo.